Hey everyone, so in this video I'm showing you how you can crop images within using the media library. I feel like this is an underutilized feature in Storyline, and I want to show you how you can use it and also what an impact that has. So first I want to show you a size impact. So basically when you crop images within Articulate Storyline, it kind of bloats the image files, or has a tendency to bloat the image files. Now if you have a very large course with where you've done a lot of cropping, this could amount to a lot of bloat in your end SCORM file size. And so what I want to show you is I've published out this slide, and we're going to look at it here. And so if we go into mobile, we see that the image size, all of your images will be listed here, is 486 kilobytes. Now, this is a one-off slide, so it's not going to have like a huge impact. But if I were to crop this in Storyline, just using the standard crop functionality, so say we want, that's how much I want to crop it. Bring this down a little bit. We'll get her arm out of here. Sure. Crop. Okay. So now we have this. And if I publish this same file, or the same slide, let's look at the size difference. Okay. So we had 486 kilobytes and now it's 548. So not huge. But again, if you have a lot of slides where you're doing cropping, so I saw this in a very large compliance training course where we had 400 and some odd slides. And so every time we published an output for LMSs that had issues with large file sizes, we would run all of the PNGs and JPEGs through compression, and it would save us about 100 megabytes per SCORM file. Recently, I've seen this impact a large course, like smaller than that but larger, at a savings of 32 megabytes. So it's not insignificant if you have a lot of images. But what a lot of people don't realize is that they can do this crop within the media library and Storyline, and it will not bloat the output file size as much. So what we're going to do is we've got our image here, uncropped. We're going to right click, show in media library, and then the media library is going to come up here. And here we've got our image, but down here there's a little pencil icon and it says edit. When you select this, you are presented with all of your photo editing tools that you have available to you. I'm going to choose Snagit. I'm going to do approximately the same crop. So we're going to go up and then bring this over. Great. And then, so I've got it where I want it to be, and then I'm going to just save, exit Snagit, and you will see in the thumbnail that my image is now cropped. Now, if we exit our media library, image is now cropped. Now let's publish that. And as a reminder, the original file size was 486 kilobytes. And now we are at 149. So the huge impact, instead of having to do a compression, you can see, so this is the file size. Sorry, we've got all three of them here. This is the original file size, 486 kilobytes. Then we cropped it in Storyline and it bloated by about, I don't know, just shy of 100 kilobytes. And then we cropped it using the media library and it actually reduced the file size by about 400 kilobytes. So you can see how if you have a large project with a lot of images that you're cropping, this can have a big impact on your final output size for SCORM file. So that's just a helpful tip to leverage the media library functionality in Articulate Storyline.